Good morning and welcome to New South Wales Health's COVID-19 update for Monday the 3rd of May 2021. New South Wales recorded no new locally acquired cases of COVID-19 in the 24 hours to 8 o'clock last night. 5 new cases were acquired overseas in the same period, bringing the total number of cases in New South Wales since the beginning of the pandemic to 5,300. 7,920 tests were reported to 8 o'clock last night compared to 9,000 in the previous 24 hours. 18,686 COVID-19 vaccines were administered by New South Wales Health on the week ending Sunday the 2nd of May. This brings the total number of vaccines administered by New South Wales Health to 211,022. New South Wales Health is treating 101 COVID-19 cases, one of whom is in intensive care and being ventilated. The Western Australian Government on Saturday announced a Perth hotel quarantine worker and 2 of his household contacts have tested positive for COVID-19. It also published a list of locations that these people visited while potentially infectious. Prior to travelling to New South Wales, anyone who has been in Perth since Tuesday the 27th of April should immediately check the concerns notice and exemptions on the New South Wales Health website to determine whether they have been to any places of high concern. This provides tailored advice for people in New South Wales who went to locations visited by confirmed cases. Anyone currently in New South Wales who has been in Perth since Tuesday the 27th of April should immediately check if they have been to a place of high concern. If you have attended any of these venues at the relevant times, please immediately isolate, get tested and call New South Wales Health on 1800 943 553. All travellers need to complete an entry declaration if you have been in Western Australia 14 days prior to entering New South Wales. New South Wales Health is working closely with our counterparts in Western Australia and will update advice as necessary to ensure the safety of the New South Wales community. New South Wales Health is contacting people who have arrived from Perth since Tuesday the 27th of April and is screening teams to Sydney at Sydney Airport to meet new arrivals. As these latest cases in Perth show, COVID-19 can re-emerge at any time. We urge everyone with the slightest of cold-like symptoms to immediately isolate and be tested, and to remain in isolation until a negative test is received. There are more than 300 COVID-19 testing locations across New South Wales, many of which are open 7 days a week. To find your nearest clinic, visit our website or contact your GP. Thank you very much.